Right, Phoebe, so you broke into the 70s with your last paper, so let's see if you can maintain that excellent progress. Right, so £169.40 is correct. And then this is wrong. Now I think what you've done is I think you typed that into your calculator as 164.40. Let's have a look. Yeah. So you need to be careful with your 9s and your 4s because they look the same. Okay? Alright, so you're going to lose a mark just because you can't read your own writing. Meters is good, kilometers and kilograms is good. Milliliters is a small unit of volume. Okay, a teaspoon is measured in milliliters. A can of Coke would be measured in milliliters, but anything from above a bottle of pop, which would be a litre, a fuel tank is going to be litres. Okay, so you're going to get 3 there. That's good, 2 marks. So total for the first page, 610. That's good. Now you used a pencil, so why didn't you rub that one out? Cylinder, pentagon. For this one, you need to be a bit more specific. It's a triangular prism. Okay, because that's a prism as well. That's a circular prism. So you need to say triangular prism. 4 for the page. That's correct, that's correct. That's not a second. If you'd have said segment, then it would have been closer because these regions that line cuts create segments. But it's the straight line they're interested in, so that line is called a chord. That's good, that's good. That one's right, that one's wrong. That's right, but it's not in its simplest form. Now you can use calculator in this paper. Okay, it's calculator allowed paper. So with something like that, you can just use your fraction button. If you do put 10 over 25 in it and press equals, that gives it in its simplest form. And if you press the SD button, it turns it into a decimal. So you can see that that there is 0.4, so you should have a circle around that. Do the same for these ones, and then you'll see what which 2 are the 0.4. With this, that's not in its simplest form. Again, you can use your calculator. 6 over 15 equals 2/5. So you get 1 mark there, 1 mark there, and 1 mark there because you didn't turn it into its simplest form. Total for the page, 5/8. Good, you've made that clear. That's excellent. 7 for that side. Times 2, then add the answer to itself. Yeah, so that's basically saying times 2, then doubling, or timesing by 4. So it's not wrong, but that's not a word. And because you've used a digit, you can't get the mark. That's good, that's good, that's good. Now then, what have you done here? There's 4 marks there. Divided by, so is that a 4 or a 9? Again, I think you've taken a 4, written a 4, but typed a 9. Anyway, that maths is wrong. 0.04 you have to multiply by the 1200. Okay, but you've got to sort your 4s and your 9s out because you're throwing marks away. 11 for the page. 45 is correct. Excellent, well done. Well done, full marks for that page. Good going. Nope. I'll go through that one in class. That's good, and that's also very good. So 6 marks for that page. Now then, I'll go through these in class again. That looks as if you've used a protractor, okay, because if you're using a compass I would see curves. So we'll do that one in class. That's good. Oh, this is very good. Well done. Well done indeed. Not many people have got those two right. 13 for the page. And that one as well, 3%. Very good. Oh, hold on. No. It's not 0.8 divided by 24, it's 8 divided by 24 times by 100, which is 33%, not 3%. Not 3%. So you've got 1 for working out the 24. Your method, you're trying to do the right thing, but you're not getting the right answer. That's good, that's good, that's good. 5, 7 for the page. Right. That's correct. But then you've taken off a wrong quantity. What you need to do now, so that's year 1, that's the first year. What you now have to do is to work out 0.18 times 1968, and that's how much they lose in the second year, and then so that comes out to be £354.24. So that's first year loss. This is second year loss. So total loss is the 432 plus 354.24. Okay, so you're halfway there. You've worked it out correct for the first year, but not for the second year. That's not right. This is Pythag. We'll do some practice of that in class. So total for the page 2. Right, so as I said, Phoebe, last time you got 73. Let's see how close you get to that. 10, 14, 22, 33, 43, 49, 49, 50, 62, 69, 71. Excellent. So that's another C. Not as good as your last one, but you're only a couple of marks different. And you can see there straight away, there's two marks you lost on the first page. One there and one there, which would put you up to that. So again, there's easy marks in there that you've dropped that you can take a look and get sorted. Well done. I'm really, really pleased with that.